up, guys? Little Savage here, back with another video. Today I'm with my cousin Aiden, Tanner, and my big brother Tyler. So today we are gonna be doing a kind of like a road prank, but not a road prank. Sorry about the sound too. It's outside and it's really loud and windy. We will be making a huge sign that says honk if you hate Justin Bieber. If you're wondering where I am, I'm at my grandma's house right now because I'm not videoing where I usually video. So now we just need to make the sign and I'll get back to you when we're done.
Yeah, bands. Already got one rolled up in my left hand. You on my mind tighter than the headband. Then my lungs got gun in my sweat glands. I'm on better than the next strand. Better than the next strand. She head down, booty popping in the handstand. Shine bright eye, give your girl a slight tan. I make that with.
This is the ending result. We're just putting some finishing touches on it. Honk if you hate Justin Bieber. Again, guys, sorry about the noise, but oh yeah! Can you go and get the tape? Yeah. Put it up on a chair so we don't have to hold it every like 4 seconds. Honk if you hate Justin Bieber. So far, like 3 people honked. There's a car coming up. Rev!
Can you rev? Rev! Can you rev?
You guys can.
Oh no! Yeah!
Oh yeah.
Boom! Bye. No one's talking. That's definitely look for the Lambo.
Audi. Remember that Lambo? That's an Audi. Okay, so we take it to a chair, honk if you hate Justin Bieber. Whenever my neighbor Lambo come down, we'll ask him to rev and they'll always rev.
Wait, they actually gonna come down?
No.
Oh, car.
He'll actually rev it in.
Yeah.
It's so sick.
He's turning.
Who put you on the plane? Who put you on the plane?
Come on, turn. Dang it! There's a car.
Oh, horse. That's a horse and a dog. What?
That's sweet.
Oh, that's a
And a Mustang.
Oh,
Yeah! Oh. Yeah! Squad! There is another car coming up.
yeah. No, if someone doesn't honk and their windows down, I'll be like, who put you on the plane?
Oh, too fast. Wait, here's a car.
Guys, get away from it so they can.
Oh, monster! Nice.
Beep, 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 beep. She didn't beep. She was trying though. No, I think it doesn't work.
Here's
I
Molly.
don't think her beeping works.
Ooh! Ooh, biker.
Oh, Mike. Come on, beep.
Come on. Beep! Did he beep or not?
I can't. Oh,
Yeah!
they did beep.
He did. There's 2.
Beep if
Can we
you
see
beat
that one?
Justin Bieber. Yeah, look. Grandma. Okay, we got a car.
Beep!
Oh, look at that monster. Skirt. That monster. Oh, yeah. Come on, come on. We got tips and windows,
No! And the sign blows over when he doesn't beep.
Beeps here. Oh, look at that Jeep right here. Everyone beep. Beep.
Nice
beep,
Jeep.
beep, beep. Come on, beep, beep, beep.
I swear if no one beeps.
Beep, beep, beep.
Oh yeah!
I like that guy. Come on, come on. Oh
Yeah!
Oh yeah. Oh, we got tons of cars coming. Holy crap. Frick, I'm trying to jerks.
Aw,
Gosh, they don't like little kids. Oh yeah, this guy's gotta be.
this guy's gonna.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Oh my god.
Who put you on the planet? Come on, come on. Beep, beep, beep. Who put you on the planet? Seriously. Oh, come on, come on, come on. She's gotta be.
She's not even gonna look.
Oh,
Yes!
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, they have to be.
Come on, another boozing please.
Oh, yeah! Yeah, buddy. Woo!
Nice car! Nice car! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Holy crap! This is the best place, seriously. Come on, beep, beep, beep. Yes!
Come on, buddy. Come on, come on. I like it. Some people press. Oh,
Yeah!
Cody, that was
That was a beast thumbnail.
Wait, let me see what I got. Dude, we have to get around with it.
Here, here. Oh.
Yeah, I'm like funny. I got a perfect thumbnail. I'm gonna put the lamp.
Tally, turn it, turn it, turn it.
Here, I got it. There's men. Whoa, that wheel, those wheels. Whoa. Oh, yeah.
That was so loud. Oh, that's jacked up.
Cody, hashtag when you actually hate Justin Bieber. That was freaking long. Come on, it was 8 minutes. We got a car coming.
Oh, he's going too fast. Oh, no. Yes!
Oh, thank you for your service. Oh, oh, oh. That. Cody, get away from the sign. Nice.
Honk! Ended up for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my brother's YouTube channel, The Savage Kid. It'll be right there. And thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.